Hello friends, this is my Unix third experiment, looping control statements in shell programming. My first program is to print the Fibonacci series. The program first I am printing how many numbers of terms to be generated. I am reading it in n. First I am initializing the x is equal to 0 and y equal to 1 and I is equal to 2. Now I am printing the dollar of x and y. My condition is while dollar of I is lesser than lesser than n, do expression of I plus 1. It will be incremented by 1 and I am getting it in z. So expression of a dollar x plus dollar y gives it will print in the dollar z. So now the x will be dollar of this thing y and y will be the dollar of z. So that's all. It will generate the Fibonacci series. So now I will show the output. Sh how many number of terms to be generated, so I am giving it as 5. So it will start from 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is the Fibonacci series, and the next one is to check the Armstrong number. So I am giving now I'm gonna enter a number. So I'm reading it in n. I'm assigning it to the variable number as $n, and for checking also I'm giving it as $n. So first I'm giving the count is equal to 0 and sum1 is equal to 0. My condition is while the dollar of n is greater than 0, do the expression of n is divided by 10 and count will be the expression of dollar count plus 1. Then this is done. And when the sum is equal to 1, I am using the for loop I equal to 0. I is lesser than dollar of count, and I am incrementing the I. And if this for loop is satisfied, I am doing it with n1 is equal to expression of number means percentage means divided by 10. And again I am giving it with the for loop. J is equal to 0 and j is less than count dollar of count. I am incrementing the j, and after incrementing j, if it is satisfied with this loop, it comes to the do. So sum expression of sum is divided by dollar of n1. I am assigning it here, and this loop will be done. And here sum expression of this sum will be equal to the sum1, which I already initialized here, and this loop will be done with it. And another if loop, if this sum1 is equal to check, that is the $n, then it will show us the number is an Armstrong number, or else it will show it as it is not an Armstrong number. So my output is sh. So it is asking to enter a number 111 or 0. Here it shows 110 is not an Armstrong number. And again my fourth experiment is to check whether it is a palindrome or not. So for checking it is a palindrome. Palindrome is if we are giving a number, if we are giving a number as 1 to 1, it should be reversed and it should give us 1 to 1. The reverse should also same. So if it is not same, it will show it as it is not an palindrome. So the program is I'm asking to enter the number and getting it in n. If the variable number is equal to $n, I'm giving a loop as if this number is greater than 0, do the a equal to expression of $n divided by 10, sorry, module of 10, and the n will be the expression of $n divided by 10. So the reverse is equal to echo of $reverse $a. So this loop is done, and I will print that reverse. If the number is equal to reverse, it will show it as number. If the number, the given number is 1 to 1 is also equal to 1 to 1, it will show it as number is in palindrome, else it will show it as it is not in palindrome. So my output is search, enter a number 1 to 1, it shows as the number is palindrome. If it is not a palindrome, it shows the number is not a palindrome. It will reverse the number and it shows the number is not a palindrome. So this is my palindrome thing, and the next program is for finding whether to print the number between the given ranges, prime numbers. So first I'm getting a number and read it in the n. First I'm initializing value for b, c, I as 0, 0 and 1, while this I is less than or equal to this n, $n, to echo of n module I, and if this dollar is equal, this c is not equal to 0, then this will be increment with 1, and this if loop will be closed. If and another thing, if then the I will be given it as +1, then it will be done. If this $b is equal to 2, then the echo is then it will print it as prime number, or else it will be show it as it's not a prime number. So my output enter a number. So 12, 12 is not a prime number, so it shows 11. 11 is a prime number. So this is the prime number thing, and my sixth one is sorting element of an array in ascending and descending. Now I have given the number in order of 4, -1, 2, 6, and 10. This is the original number in the array, and I'm giving an for loop. If I equal to 0, I is greater than or equal to 4, then the I will be getting incremented. If so, the number should be in the it should be placed in the place of I. So done. And if I is equal to 0, I is greater than or equal to 4, and I will be incremented, and inside another for loop, j is equal to $i and j is greater than or equal to 4, j plus plus, do if this number is greater than number of j, then t should be number of I, and this number of I should be equal to the number of j, and this number j should be equal to the $t. So this loop will be completed, and it will print a sorted number in the ascending order. If sorry, for I is equal to 0, I is greater than or equal to 4, then I will be incremented and it will print as numbers of $i. So my output is given it as 4 minus 1 2 66 and 10. It is arranged in the ascending order as minus 1 2 4 10 and 6. So that's all for my third experiment. Thank you so much.